Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yarimughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide outdoor mockup in PSD file. Here you see the preview. For example, I open it. Now you see many layer in layer area. You can edit any of this layer. But now I simply replace the poster or image here. So double click on it. Now you see a new document appear here. Simply insert new layer and delete this one. Now press Ctrl O to open your poster or image that you want to replace. For example, I open it. Select move tool and drag it to here. Okay, then adjust it, press enter and then press Ctrl S to save. Now you see our image or poster, anything replace here. Same like it, you can edit any of this mockup. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.